Hello guys, how you doing? Today I have a 2009 BMW 7 Series. This is like a F02, and I have the inner side Bowden cable for the door handle. Gonna try to replace it together. That's the cable for this door handle. So first thing you have to do, you have to remove this wood grain over here. And from there behind the wood grain we're gonna need they have like 3 screws of T30 seat tucks, like a T30. We're gonna have to remove them and then pop the door panel to remove like the cable, the Bowden cable. So to remove the wood grain over here, you just need a plastic tool over here. It could be smaller, just like pry it behind this or right here from the middle of it, and then to pop it out. Pour it over here and then you can pop it out. Just be careful you don't break like the wood grain. You can see it. Pop it out. And there's these tucks over here. It's like a T30. You just like unscrew them. And your cable is right here. That's the cable we're gonna replace. We have like this T15 over here, 1, 2, and we're gonna remove them to get access to the cable from here to remove it. Okay, now guys, I removed like a 2 T15, 1 and 2. I should be able to pop this cable out. Once you pop this cable out, you pull up right in here. And pop it out. You see this cable over here? You can now remove it from there. And then take it off. Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to pop this door panel. You could use the same plastic tool. Stick behind this door panel and pop the clamp. You don't need to take the whole door panel out. You could go over here. That's the cable right there. And you go see over there, his feet over there. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pop the cable off. Like that. And you could pull it from here. Pull it out from here. So, and we're gonna put now the new one in. To install it, just gotta fit it like that, and make sure we clip it in on this side. That's it. Okay guys, install the new one in, fit it to the hole over here, and now you're gonna install it from the on there. So after that, put your screws back together and working fine now.